Hello, my name is Jesper and I'm a chef and sourdough baker. I grew up with ASKO products in my childhood home and I'm very pleased to use them now in my workshops. So when I bake the bread, I always use a little bit of flour on top of the dough. And you need to score the loaf in the surface here. So what happened now is that I put the bread in. We have the baking steel inside. It's very, very hot and I actually switched off the oven now. So what happens inside the oven is that baking steel kind of pushes heat into the bread. And since the oven is so well sealed and I pour in water, we create like a little steam chamber for the bread. And that's how the bread can expand and get really, really crispy. The reason why I switch off the oven is because you don't want the heating elements, which are very, very hot, to dry out the surface. We want that in the end of the baking. So in the beginning, we use the baking steel to kind of make the bread prove and rise. And then afterwards, we can add a little bit of fan, maybe a little bit of grill to kind of crisp up the bread and get a really, really nice crispy and golden surface of the bread.